welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to sit down and play with makeup tones that I haven't played with in a while. I know I've been doing a lot of kind of orangey and warm toned looks, so I thought I would mix things up a little bit and go with this kind of like daytime look that you could also take into a nighttime look very easily by just deepening up the crease a little bit. So I just wanted to sit down and play with colors that I haven't played with in a while. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start out by taking the CoastalSscents Revealed 2 palette and taking this middle shade right here. I'm going to apply this into the crease of my eye as my transitional shade. I'm also going to kind of layer this shade to the desired intensity that I'd like, but mainly keeping it right there in the crease with windshield wiper motions. I'm then going to switch to a slightly more red color, actually not slightly, this is very much a red color, and I'm only tapping the tips of my brush in there. I'm going to apply that right over top of where I applied that first shade. This is only to kind of just deepen the color up because it wasn't really the color I was looking for. I'm then going to take a flesh tone shade on a clean brush and apply that to my brow bone to blend out that top portion and also be my brow bone highlight shade. I'm then going to go into the Vice 3 palette from, yeah, I totally started all over that. The Vice 3 palette from Urban Decay, taking the shade Bondage. I'm going to apply this in the actual fold line of my eye, and I'm going to blend this back and forth. I tilted my head back to really make sure that I get right in that fold. I'm then going to take some concealer, any concealer you have will work, and I'm taking that on a flat brush. I'm going to use this to carve out my crease line to really give me a nice kind of sharp cut crease look. And I'm also kind of using this as a secondary base because the next shade I'm going to use on my eyelid are shimmery shades, and this just helps things stick in place and stay vibrant. I'm spritzing my brush with some Fix Plus and taking the gold shade from the Morphe, I am stuttering all over my words, the Morphe 350 palette. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid, and I am going to go ahead and apply a second shade over top of it because this gold was a little more yellow than I'd like. I'm going in with the second gold shade from the Morphe palette and applying that right over top just to kind of brighten and lighten things up. Again, it was a little bit more of a like darker gold than I was looking for. I'm gonna go in with some Maybelline retractable eyeliner pencil and applying this into the actual like lash roots of my lash line to really give the illusion of thicker lashes because I'm not going to be using false lashes in this look. Oh my gosh, I'm stuttering all over this. I'm going to go into that red shade from the CoastalSscents palette and apply that to my bottom lash line with a flat brush and blend the bottom line out with my finger to make everything nice and smooth. I'm then going to go ahead and curl my lashes and give them a good squeezing and apply 2 really good thick coats to top and bottom lashes of mascara using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, my all-time favorite ride or die mascara. For cheeks, I'm going to use this Model Company blush and apply that to my cheeks, and I don't know the name of this blush for sure. I forget what it is, but I'm just applying that to my cheeks. And then for my lips, I'm taking this LA Colors matte lipstick in the shade Courage, and I'm dabbing that onto my lips, and then I'm going to use my finger to blend this out to almost nothing. I almost kind of want this to be like a stain rather than a lipstick, if that makes sense. So here you guys go. This is the final look. Here's a close-up of the eyes. I hope you guys have enjoyed this and found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget, there is a full list of products I use down in the description box below this video. I've also changed my upload schedule to every single Friday instead of every single Tuesday. I do love you guys very much. I'll see you next Friday, and don't forget, make good choices.